Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change Google Chrome language. Best and easy way. How to do this? Let's start. Write in URL bar chrome:/settings and press enter button. You will find this interface. On the left side you will find this global icon. Click on it. Now find this button on the right side. Click on it. On this pop-up window, you will find your desired language. It doesn't matter what language is appearing, you just find your desired language and select it. Click on it and click OK button. Now, you just click on 3 dot and check this button. And click on this button. After relaunch, you will see Google Chrome language is changed. We can see that Google Chrome language has been changed. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.